Okay, I gotta get started first. Start on me first.
Well, I would say something if I were
Are you
you.
ready?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, well, start again.
Oh,
Mr. Keener, I hope you approve of my completion of my project. I've highlighted the routed portions so that you can see it better. This is running in simulation. Of course, I don't have the router turned on, but everything's functional. And give you a quick tour. You can see the motors and chains moving. Computer control and drivers are there, along with the UPS. And we'll finish up quickly on the actual driver, the CNC driver. And I hope you approve. Thank you very much.